Now we have two more equations for which we have to find the nature of their roots and their discriminant. The first equation is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we compare this with the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We compare this with this, we get a equal to 2, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 3. So if a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3, we put this into b square minus 4ac, we get b square, we have minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So this is 16 minus 4 into 2, 8 into 6, 24. So this comes out to be equal to minus 8. So minus 8 is less than 0. So we have b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So we have no real roots. Okay. Now coming on, this equation has no real roots. Now coming on to the second part, we have 4x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have a equal to 4, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 3. So if a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to minus 3, we put these values in b square minus 4ac, we get minus 5 square minus 4 into a is 4 and c is minus 3. So we get 25 plus 16 into 3 is 48. So we get 25 plus 48. So this is equal to 73. So we get this value is a positive value, 73 is greater than 0. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So we have two distinct real roots for this equation. For this equation, we have two distinct real roots.